everyone, it's Maura Allard of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and it's Monday, so it's Maura's Musings, where I pull an oracle card and then I talk about what the card means, and hopefully this will resonate with you sometime during the week, because I pick it for the week. And I'm using the Shaman's Dream, another deck by Colette Baron Reed. All of her decks are beautiful. I have many of her decks, so if you're ever looking to start with a deck, I highly recommend hers. And the card I picked is Repairing the Veil. And another reason why I love Colette is whoever she has do her artwork is just really beautiful and really resonates. I see this almost as like a spinal column, like your spinal column, and these little red ties as repairing areas that have broken. And then down below, of course, this beautiful golden color, and there's a butterfly here as if new life, and beautiful artwork. But I definitely see this as like this is your spinal column, and this is the repairs you're doing to it, repairing the veil. What does repairing the veil mean? Well, most of us believe, not all, but most, that our thoughts are our own. Our thoughts and our feelings belong only to us, but that there's a veil separating us from anybody else, but we're all connected. Everybody is connected in some way or another. And when repairing the veil comes up, it's asking you to make amends and repair areas that are broken. Forgiveness is a big one on this card. Who do you need to forgive? And this can be actions that you have caused, or you've been a recipient of this. So forgiveness for the person that hurt you as well is healing for you. But this card to me resonates with things I learned in Alcoholics Anonymous years ago. Keeping your side of the street clean. Not inflicting your issues onto other people. Making amends to people that you have hurt, even if it's a silent amends. So if you've hurt somebody, and this was shared with me many years ago, some of those conversations, those people are no longer living. You may be estranged from that loved one right now. But that pain or that feeling that you've hurt them or they hurt you still keeps going around. You can make a silent amends. You can write it out and burn it. You can just do it in your mind and forgive them or forgive yourself. You don't have to make a physical face-to-face amends to repair anything. Sometimes conversations are too hard to have with that individual that you hurt, or individuals, or they're too hard for that individual to have with you. So this is all about making amends, forgiveness, repairing like I said, keeping your side of the street clean. Anything that you have done to hurt another person, forgive yourself, forgive them, forgive everything there. And whether you make it in person, you silent offering up to whoever you call God or universe, but to get it out of your body. When you do that, when you release it, you're repairing the veil. You're repairing you and your energy. And you're connecting yourself to a higher vibration, to a higher place. When we carry that around and when we see ourselves as very separate from everybody else, it lowers our energy. We can learn something from somebody, from everybody. Everyone we meet can teach us something. Even if it's something we don't want to know, there's a lesson to be learned by every encounter we have. And when we actually inflict negativity on a person, we're hurting more than just that person. We're hurting ourselves, and we're hurting other people around that may be affected by them. So this week, this card asks you to repair your veil and make amends. Work on keeping your side of the street clean. Work on healing yourself and others so that your energy can be higher, that you can feel better, and you can start to realize that we're not as separate from other people as we believe we are. Have a great week.